paint it, and then assemble it all and then put it back together. But see, I want to roll this, but what I got to do is take Scotch pad.
The panels and parts that were mistakes were made.
You got to wipe the shine all off the metal, like you got to, like ours. And then you got a white line there, like going this way.
And you just
And
messed up your whole figure.
And I took the lino knife and I hooked it, and here's a 1/4 inch square piece of nail on the edge, driven in. And that. What's that? We should leave no later than 1.
Oh,
If I can find that. I got those there. That's a few. The brake lines had one. Yeah. You see here?
Yep.
Here it shows us the 90-degree nuts, and then they come out here. And of course, you get better detail as you go here. Now that's, yeah, you see here? This is all, and none of that worked. We had to take them off. But they have the fittings for it, so it's okay. And then you see that aisle way down the center where everything is?
Yeah.
There's a cover goes on. She hit, and I pushed it, that we have tape on here. And it pushes the rivet out. Well, then she pushes it in, and I just hold it and she taps it.
Okay.
But then what I found out is now you have this one riveted. No. That one riveted and this one riveted. So I hold the bar this way and put it against the 2 rivets that are already riveted.
Yeah.
Well, then she taps this one, and when it gets in. See these 3 rivets? And he took his flashlight, his mirror, and you look down there. See this bar? You put the vice grips on here. Slide that in, and you only got 1 rivet in. You only got the first one in. And you hold it with the vice grip and push the rivet out, and you're on it. And just hold that like that, and then move it and put in the next rivet.
Yeah.
And most people put in pop rivets because you can't put a bucking bar in, and then better be under trimmed than over.
okay, why? Just, why is that?
Well, if you take it too far, then the seal won't seal.